All right, this is Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning. We got a couple of things going on. We have a detailer's clay. We're claying out the edge of this vehicle. Had a little bit of sap on top. With Pedro, we're doing a little shampooing. So with our CFX, shampooing and extracting, we got a wiper blade going on top of this. We're doing a little bit of sap removal, then we're doing a one-stage buff to clean that paint up. So the shampooing as it's coming through, out through the inside. You can see Austin back there making it pretty with his lines. And then on the edge, we chipped off the extra paint. We're going to be doing restoring this headlight. Because you can tell this headlight's been replaced at some point in time. Just the rear wiper blade needs it. And now we're feeling proof. We're doing a clay bar. We're going to take those contaminants out. We'll do a one-stage buff over the rest of it. After we got the sap off, the buff just needs to come through and smooth everything out. If you have sap on your vehicle, it is an acid. It'll eat through eventually that clear coat the paint and start having it chip off. So we try to catch it before that happens. And so between these two vehicles, we've got a lot of buffing we're going to be doing today to make this right. So we already came through on the edge. We'll look at it shortly and see how it turned out. Again, this is Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning. If that's something you're looking to have done, give us a call, 970-373-3336.